Okay, class 12, continuing with the last week's chapter, Drainage of India. Today we will be completing Ganga drainage system, Brahmaputra drainage, and finally the peninsular river system. Coming first to Ganga river. Now over here you can see that there are two lines pointing towards Ganga. The reason for this is two names are there, Alakananda and Bhagirathi. These two rivers, they join together to make Ganga. So these two rivers, Alakananda and Bhagirathi, basically are headwaters of the Ganga river. Now coming to the different points about Ganga. Source, Gomukh in Gangotri Glacier. It is very necessary to mention Gomukh. Don't just write down Himalayas. Then mouth, Bay of Bengal. Areas through which this very important river flows. UP, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Important features, Ganga is the longest river in India. No other river is as long as Ganga and as influential as Ganga. Because the very next point, Ganga creates the fertile northern plains in India. With its own tributaries, Ganga creates the granary of India, the region where maximum food grains or cash crops are grown. And it flows in Bangladesh as Podda. Remember the name, and also remember that with Brahmaputra, Ganga creates the world's largest delta. Coming to the next river, which is an important tributary of Ganga, Yamuna. About Yamuna, it has its source in Yamunotri Glacier in the Himalayan region, joins Ganga at Allahabad. All of you should know that the meeting point or confluence of Ganga and Yamuna is a very holy area where the Prayag or the Sangam takes place. So that is Allahabad. Areas where Yamuna flows, mainly it flows in the UP region and joins Ganga near Tejawala. Okay. About Yamuna, it is one of the most important right bank tributary of Ganga. It joins Ganga in its right bank. And Delhi, our capital, is located on the bank of this river. The next one, Ghagra. Again, Ghagra has another name, Karnali. Karnali is headwater of Ghagra. From Karnali, Ghagra is formed. Okay. Source of Ghagra is in Tibet. Mouth, it joins Ganga at Chhapra in Bihar. Areas through which Ghagra flows, UP and Bihar. Important feature of Ghagra, it cuts gorges in Nepal Himalaya. So you can understand it is also flowing, or it also flows in the Nepal region. And it shifts its course. This point, whichever river has this point, it means that those particular rivers always are dangerous because they will create flood. The next river that we come across, Gandak, has its source again in the Tibetan Himalayas, and it is a Sino-Nepal. It flows in the Sino-Nepal boundary or the border. Sino-Nepal means Tibet and Nepal. It joins Ganga at Sonpur, also in Bihar. Its area is very limited, flows mainly in Bihar. And this is a left bank tributary of Ganga. Because, as I said, this also shifts its course, so this river also floods Bihar regularly. The next river that we come across, Kosi. Now, Kosi River has its source in Tibet. Mouth joins Ganga at Karagola. Area also Bihar. Feature, left bank tributary of Ganga. It is called the Sorrow of Bihar because this creates very regular flood in Bihar region. The reason remains same, because it keeps shifting its course. So these are the Ganga river system. Now we come to a single river, which is a very important one, Brahmaputra river system. Below Brahmaputra, you can see that there are three names given because this river flows through these three places: Tibet, India, Bangladesh. And in all these three places, they get three different names. Rather, it gets three different names. In Tibet, it's called Sangpo. In India, as the name says, Brahmaputra. And in Bangladesh, the same river is called Jamuna, Jamu, not Yamuna of India, but Jamuna of Bangladesh. It has its source in a big enough name. Remember the name and the spelling, Chemayongdang, sometimes also pronounced as Kemayongdang Glacier. This is in Tibet, near Mansarovar Lake. Has its mouth in Bay of Bengal. Areas, Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, mainly in Assam. That is why it is called, or the Assam Valley is called the Brahmaputra River Valley. And important feature, creates world's largest delta, not alone, with Ganga. It floods Assam regularly. Its right bank tributaries. Brahmaputra's right bank tributaries are Manas, and one of its left bank tributary is Dhanshiri. Now this place is a very important place in Bangladesh. In the next clipping, we will be doing the remaining rivers of India.